Now next bone is patella. This is patella. You know very well patella is the largest sigmoid bone of the body. It lies in front of lower end of femur, 1 centimeter above the knee joint. So it dwells in the tendon of quadriceps femoris muscle. So this patella is having an apex and base. It has 3 borders: superior border, lateral border and medial border. It has 2 surfaces, anterior surface and posterior surface. Now talking about the side determination of patella, as I already told you, patella has an apex which is directed downwards. The direction of apex is downwards. Base is directed upwards. Patella is a triangular bone which has an apex, base. Apex is directed downward, base is directed upwards. So to determine the side, you should know some features of patella. As I already told you, this is the anterior surface of patella. It is rough, whereas this is the posterior surface of patella. It is smooth and articular in its upper 3/4 part. It is smooth and articular in its upper 3/4 part. Lower 1/4 part of patella is non-articular. Lower 1/4 part of this posterior surface is non-articular. Now this articular part of posterior surface is further divided into 2 areas by a vertical ridge. Here is the vertical ridge. This is the vertical ridge here. This vertical ridge will divide this articular part of posterior surface into lateral larger area and medial smaller area. This is lateral larger area and this is smaller medial area. So if I put this patella on this plane surface, the lateral large area will touch the surface. So it rests on the lateral broad area of articular surface of posterior surface. Articular area of posterior surface. If I put this patella on the plane or this table on a plane surface, the lateral larger portion will touch the table or surface, or you can say it rests on the lateral broader area of posterior surface. So by knowing this, you will able to tell the side of patella. So this is the patella of right side, because this is the lateral side and this is the medial side, or you can also say the side of patella which touches the ground or surface will tell you the side of patella. So here you can see the right side of patella touches the ground or the table, the surface of table. So this is the patella of right side. So this is all about the side determination. General features we have already discussed. It is triangular in shape. It has apex, base. Apex is directed downwards, base is directed upwards. It has superior border, it has lateral border and it has medial border. Surfaces, it has anterior surface which is rough, posterior surface which is smooth and articular in its upper 3/4 part and non-articular in its lower 1/4 part. So this is all about the general features. Now coming to the attachment of patella. First of all, muscular attachment. The superior border or the superior aspect of patella provide insertion to the rectus femoris muscle in its anterior part. So the anterior part of base or superior border will provide insertion to the rectus femoris muscle, and the posterior aspect of this base or superior border will provide insertion to the vastus intermedius muscle. So here is the insertion of vastus intermedius muscle. This is the insertion of rectus femoris. This is the insertion of vastus intermedius muscle. Now coming to the lateral border. Lateral border provide insertion to the vastus lateralis muscle in its upper half. So upper half of lateral border provide insertion to the vastus lateralis muscle. Coming to the medial border provide insertion to the vastus medialis muscle in its upper 2/3 part. So vastus medialis muscle is inserted into the upper 2/3 part of medial border of patella. So these were the attachments, muscular attachments. Now talking about the ligaments. This is the lower 1/4 part of posterior surface, which is non-articular, but it provides attachment to the ligamentum patellae. So here ligamentum patellae is attached. So this is the attachment of ligamentum patellae. It is attached to the posterior surface in its lower 1/4 part. So this is all about the attachment of patella. We have discussed side determination, features and attachments. So if you place this patella on a plane surface or a table, the side which touches the table or ground will tell you the side determination or the side of patella. So right side touches the ground means this is the patella of right side. Similarly, if I put this another patella on this table, so left side of this patella touches the table means this is the patella of left side. So you can put these bones freely. The side through which it touches the ground or table is the side of patella. This is the patella of right side and this is the patella of left side. So this is all about the patella.